I will be doing a Dutch pour today in a base coat of cobalt violet, and I've mixed up a 500 mils of cobalt violet for my base color. I mixed it up 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. I used 40 grams for my 1 part, 80 grams for my 2 parts pouring medium, and I added a 35 grams of water because this paint is quite a thick paint. So I'm going to be using all reds in my Dutch pour today, and my brand of paint of choice in this video is Dala paints, Dala acrylic paints. So let me get my canvas covered, and I'm going to be using my blow dryer. I'm only using reds today, also the Dala brand of paint. I've got a couple of reds ready in my squeeze bottles. Magenta, this is deep red. I'm going to be using a pearl red, and I've added some what was it? Oh gosh, I added some Payne's Grey to the deep red, and I've got a nice dark red that I'm also going to be using. So let me get the canvas covered, and then I'll talk to you when I layer the colors. So I'm going to speed this part up. Let's lay out our design with our colors. I'm going to start with the magenta. Then the deep red. The pearl red is next. I've got the color mixed up with a deep red and some of the Payne's Grey. And I'm going to add in just a hint of white. Just a thin sliver of white. Here we go. Let me give the colors a torch again. Get my blow dryer. Let's blow this one out. That was almost too quick for me. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, I love it. Let's torch it. just so much red here and I so wanted another color. I'm going to blow there. I'm going to use my palette knife and I'm going to play around with the color. In the underside of the canvas first, just getting those drips. I'm going to clean off the plastic, just fold it over, and then I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Just want to fold this plastic over and just neaten the edges a bit. Just neaten the space around the canvas, and then I'm going to bring it down. Just folding it over, cleaning up the space, and then we'll have a closer look. There we are. Now I'm ready to bring you down for your close-up. Now this beauty is safe and sound under a drying net, and she will stay there for 24 to 48 hours, and then she'll be completely dry, and I will either resin or varnish. So take care everyone, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel and for viewing. Please stay well until the next video. Bye for now.